are an employee working with an organization and haven't heard a term called Great Resignation or Big Quit, then it's time to know about it. It's time to know why people around the globe are leaving their handsomely paid jobs. What are their mindset and how India will react to it? Let's analyze in detail. But before we move forward, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading my new videos. This is Prajwal Gaikwad and you are watching the series of my motivational videos Meaningful Life, where we help to be you want to be. Not a long time back, when the first wave of coronavirus hit the world, the employee and the employers both were in dilemma whether they could run their operations in a smooth manner like before. Considering probable losses, the employers started layoffs, cut the salary of the employees, no weekly off, extended working hours. In short, the employee has to work on terms set by the employers. And maybe unwillingly, the employee has to accept those terms and conditions in a fear of losing the jobs. Then what happened in a span of a year that the employees who were in a fear of losing the jobs are now living the jobs happily? What is the thought process behind this? Let's have a look. First, check when and how this term called Great Resignation is derived. Dr. Anthony Klotz, a professor of management at the Texas Agriculture and Management School of Business, first used the term the Great Resignation. In his article, the COVID vaccine means a return to work and a way of resignation. In April 21, the number of workers who quit their job in a single month broke an all-time record in the history of United States. And according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, a total of 4 million Americans quit their job by July 2021. In the United Kingdom, the number of open jobs surpasses 1 million for the first time ever in August. Well, these are the stats from United States and United Kingdom. And same in the other countries like China, Japan, Australia, and of course, India is no longer behind. Then who are these people and why are they quitting in masses? Let's check. Out of the total workforce, 40% of the global workforce want to quit their job. Nearly 73% of people asking for flexible working hours, which they experience while working from homes, and wish that this should be continued and don't want to go to the office again. 39% of people are not happy with their current employer and wish to switch over to the other jobs whether he or she could have a healthy atmosphere. People nowadays want to work on their own terms and conditions, whether they could maintain their work-life balance, a healthy and developing atmosphere, a flexibility in working hours, and the culture where they are valued and respected. But the major reason is emerging out to be a burning out. The burning out means the people are now bored and tired of doing the same job again and again. Going to the office in the morning, watching the same faces, doing the same job and same routine. Nevertheless, they were in a mood to quit the job. But this pandemic extra stretch have made their mind to leave the jobs. During this time, while working from home or during lockdown, people spent lovely time with their families. They went to their native places, spent the time with the people with whom they could hardly spend in normal working days. This made them realize that not much money needed to fulfill the basic needs. By this time, they developed the secondary source of income. During free time, they started stock market investing, worked as a freelancer where they enjoyed the working freedom and work on their own terms and conditions. Of course, not much money earned, but they enjoyed the freedom and they are happy with it. They have seen how uncertain the life is. They have realized that the materialistic thing for which they were running and burning themselves is all worthless. They want to change the career. They want to develop a source of income from what they love and don't want to continue the job which they were doing over the years. We Indians belong to a culture where education and academics is considered to be a medium to earn a good job, a job which could pay your bills. That's what we were taught. An upbringing where the digits in your salary decides your social status and accordingly you are respected. Here nobody's care about your liking and what you are passionate about. यहाँ जो job मिला वो सही. So do this great resignation movement really matters to India? Well, in a country like India where unemployment is a burning issue and irrespective of their liking, people have to opt for whatever job they get to make few bucks are now finding their own ways to make their bread and butter. When pandemic hit, most of the workforce in the sector of manufacturing infrastructure coming from the state of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh have migrated to their villages and don't want to go to their workplace ever again. From the sector of IT and technology, people are happy with their working from home and don't want to resume their office duties. Well, in the sector of manufacturing, people trying to switch their jobs where they could manage their work-life balance and can give more time to their families. Then what could employers do to retain their workforce, to retain their skilled manpower? Well, COVID-19 have changed their mindset. Now they are giving more values to their own rather than to just earn the money. In a time to come, many big companies may face a trouble in acquiring technically skilled manpower or they may lose them in the future. The time is no longer far where the employers have to listen to their employees and act accordingly. Heavy reforms to be made in Indian labor law. More than a salary or just an insurance policies, employers have to focus on maintaining healthy working atmosphere and make sure that their employees are valued and respected. So what are your experiences with your employer and what changes you would like to have? Do post in the comment box. And if you have already left or planning to leave your job, then congratulations. And I hope this great resignation movement will transform the whole working sector and will make it a better place to work. If you find this video informative, then please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and stay motivated.